you're doing good. Welcome back to Ethiopia YouTube channel. Hope everything is okay, guys. Guess where we are going? Guess what's happening? We are in Mexes Fair in Addis. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, I'm going to take you inside. There's exhibition. Many people are coming in. It's raining, but people are still coming in. Let's go inside and see what's happening. I'm with Feti, and I will introduce you another vlogger from Kenya. You will give them heart attack. Okay guys, let's go. As we go, anyway guys, this is my outfits for today. I don't know, I'm wearing many colors like a Mexico, I don't know. Anyway, bear with me, let's go. What's the... Wow, this is it. I think you can even stand here, take some picture if you want.
I think it's sponsored by Ethiopia Commission.
Yeah, and you can take picture here if you want. Yeah, so we go inside, yeah?
Yeah.
Anyway, and it's my first time to come here. You remember we didn't come here, Feti, yeah? We were planning to come, but we didn't come. You can see the decoration. Yeah. Yeah. But finally we are here, guys. Ah.
I like to come to Mexico Square when there's like many things going on. The Mexico festival.
Wow, guys.
Love it. But I'm so happy to see the map changes.
Yeah.
My word for the day in Addis is wow.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Wow, so busy.
So, guys, we are going inside, and I'm so excited, but I'm going to... I will see you inside. So guys, we are inside, but I'm surprised. As you see, the ticket is 100, but because you need to pay 200, they are giving you 2 tickets.
Yeah.
This is funny.
So funny.
So funny. Anyways, but guys, wow. Yeah, we are going inside. They give us 2 tickets. Yeah, that shows like they just added, and it's not like they didn't even have time to put 200 here.
They said until Friday it was 100. So after Friday they said 100.
Yeah. So guys, we are inside. From inside we can see some big screen.
Didn't need you to camera, so that's the rule. We respect the way how she Noella was weird. Tell them how she checked it.
I don't want even to say it. Anyway guys, it was weird and I didn't feel comfortable, but anyways, what can we do? Are you serious? Want to say another? 30. So guys, we are in now. So far I can see banks.
Miss out on the exhibition. We are here with Faith.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a good experience. Oh, yeah, thank you. But I can continue being in like her style of covering her head, but I'm sorry.
Yeah, now yeah.
Some cool environment. Let's have a good time. Positive vibes from now ahead.
Yeah.
I know it was tricky around in the entry.
Yeah, especially the way they check us. That was not nice, but anyway, it's okay. I think let's go inside and be positive and enjoy this. Yeah. That's the key. So guys, so far we can see the bank. I see Dashan Bank. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know, I watch a lot of telenovelas, by the way. I watch a lot of telenovelas, so I'm okay. So guys, I hope things, they are not expensive, because I heard in exhibition here things are more expensive. I heard that. For us in exhibition they be, yeah?
I think there should be an offer.
Oh, okay. So let's go. What's this?
Black seed. I think it's black seed.
It's black seed. How the... Oh, she's...
If you've been cured, like maybe if you had problems with these, things, it could even be like the castor oil. It doesn't have to be areke. I'm only saying the whole concept of using natural things, because even now I find the areke being made is not like the same way with the jeans that are being sold in like other.
It's okay. Arake means like vodka.
I get you. I get you. Yeah.
So if vodka, I'm going to ask you the same question. So is vodka healthy for your stomach problem?
Exactly. So my point is, people here in Ethiopia have the notion of oils, alcohol, things like this can cure your stomach problems. You know, the thing is, if it works for me, it doesn't have to work for
Yeah.
you. So
Yeah.
there is also someone that has used the oils and it didn't work for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just respecting people choosing and not necessarily just going for like, I have a headache, Panadol, I have a stomach problem, I go to the chemist and get this. So I'm just majorly appreciating the fact that we find homemade ways of solving health issues.
Most of the time we use homemade, right?
That's what
Okay.
I'm appreciating. I just remembered the idea of the record. Not that I'm saying it works or it doesn't work. It's just
It depends the person, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
Even Panadol.
So guys, as we go in,
Yeah, look, then they even put the price up. You can
950. Wow. Yeah, it's the same even in remember I already it's like 800, 900. Yeah, here Exhibition. That's what I was telling you. For, I think for what we are trying to say for us is like on offer. It's that's why people come. Yeah, but anyway, it's different. Let's go and see. So guys, this is what the boxer. Can I buy you one? It's, you know, there's some women who wear boxer.
That's true.
Yeah. When they go to sleep, like they love to use that. The big one, by the way.
I'm a big fan of Sunsilk. I don't know what you guys think about.
What's that?
Sunsilk is my hair product. Such that even when I'm
Oh,
in
it's
Kenya,
hair product.
I asked
Ah.
for to receive this.
Oh, do you want to see?
They have coconut milk.
Yeah.
Oh, they have conditioner and
Coconut.
shampoo, everything.
Oh, okay.
Coconut
So
oil.
I use the shampoo and the conditioner, and they have avocado, they have coconut. It's
Oh.
really nice. For me, it works. I love it. But according to the Ethiopians that were recommending, they told me it's one of the affordable hair.
Oh,
It works for me. Good.
yeah. Okay.
So we try to show you inside.
Yeah, what's going on? This is quinoa.
Huh?
Quinoa. I love it so much. I love it in egg a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, guys. This is how it look like. Do you want to continue going? I can see injera.
Why you see Jera?
I saw some.
I don't see it.
Yeah.
Inside it, they have cafe,
Yeah, of course they have ice cream. They must.
ice cream.
If you want to wash clothes,
Free eating.
Free eating? Why is it free?
Eating.
Why free? What? They're saying there is free food.
Really? Where?
And why?
It's free. She said it's free, so let's go. Come on.
Okay, guys, we got free food. I think there is a free food, and we are like, let's check it out. Faith is learning. Guys, they have free food, and they say quinoa. And I'm like, you should come and buy quinoa because they will give you food. This is nice. Asia, Uret Bicha, sister, Uret Bicha. You eat injera, yeah? Okay. You know I don't eat injera, you know that? Yeah. But it's okay, guys. I will be happy seeing you eating.
hi guys, meet East African.
Yeah.
Do you know it's interesting that many people do not like outside Ethiopia, they don't necessarily like. So why don't you like injera?
I tried, but I don't know. I couldn't like.
One time?
Many times. You remember I even tried with you again. You remember I even tried with you. Bicha, baka. You remember I even tried with you in Awasa, but no. But guys, can you enjoy the food?
Absolutely.
Okay, go ahead. I'll be watching, guys.
One thing.
Saying the way we forgot to stand up.
Stand up.
Yeah, and they are serving other people.
What?
Food.
They are tomato.
There is a bread. Do you want to buy bread?
Ah, they have plate, guys.
Yeah, guys. It's nice. This is what's going on. You can see many people, guys, by now.
So this is your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time. Yeah, to come here to Meskes Fair. Sorry about that, guys.
It's a lot of people.
Why did we come in even? Where is Faith? She's here. Yeah.
They're more silent.
Yeah. It's funny. Yeah. I know. Do you want water bottle? Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's funny. So guys, this is how things are going. As you see, many people are inside shopping. Vibe is a vibe, you know, you can't talk in these people. So the target for me is to show you like what's happening, how is it, people are shopping, and yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video. You can see the shoes, you can see the clothes, you can see the many things. So yeah, and again, it's finishing tomorrow, so you can go if you want. Yeah, keep enjoying, guys.
You know they charge for everyone like $100?
Yeah, for what?
For what?
Even me, I'm wondering. Wow. So which way do you think we can go? Fetty, what about guys? We are here. I'm with Fetty. This is what's going on. Jeez. Where are we going? Is it both?
Yeah.
He just saw me and he's seeing Rasta. They think I'm from Jamaica because of the dreads. But it's not even showing. I need it because like when I travel I want something soft. I don't want something that will be heavy. Okay. Nice.
You can have this too.
Do you have colors? Yeah, they have.
How much is this one?
We have color.
450. It's not like this one. Is this 400? 450.
This one's 400, 450.
Is this for you too? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you don't mind.
No, it's only her.
It's me.
Yeah. Not your face, just her. Okay, no problem.
Actually, I think I will take this.
You can see.
Just
Just her face. But you could say your business and
So we choose
people
this,
would
guys,
come.
Yeah? We choose this.
Yeah.
I even love this, but they may be realistic.
You love this one?
Yeah,
Why
it's
don't you take it?
they are made. That's 102. And I need on one the long sleeve. I don't have it.
Like this one.
But this one they can't go with this color.
No, I'm saying like this one.
White dress. You like white? No. I love white, but in the skirt I don't think it. I love on dress. I love this like this one. The green.
You don't joke. Yeah, it is nice.
They have many. They are beautiful.
Yeah.
let me see. Ali, Zaka.
Well, then with this one,
Which one do you think can look of that nice? But it's not long.
You want up to down. I also want very long.
I want the long.
what color is that?
I need the long one. This is nice. But I love this color.
It can go with many things also. Or this.
Yeah. How much is it?
600.
Oh, okay.
You'll buy everything.
You have this card, huh?
You guys support her. She's about to go bankrupt. Please.
So which one can I use? Yeah, it's nice. Which one do you choose?
I choose this.
The white.
For traveling, this is really good.
But if you choose it, I will take another color.
No, they have more. They have more.
You want
She
us
doesn't
to
want
pick?
too much.
Ah, okay. Okay. What about the black one?
Okay, let me take this one.
Okay, let me see the black one.
I love purple anyway.
Yeah.
Do you love the black?
I want to.
It's short. She can't wear a short. So guys, I'm choosing this one. Okay, we choose this. Okay. So this and this.
Yes.
How much is it all of them? Okay, much is it? Those are 600. This is 400 together. One. How can I pay half a card? Can I pay with a card? Can you transfer?
They don't have ATM.
How much is it?
1,400. I have only one with you. I have a
900.
900.
I can top you up.
Okay, then I will.
Yeah.
Yes, about the.
Okay.
Can finish.
I buy the skirt, long skirt.
How much that cost you?
It cost me. No. Do you want to eat anything? Let's go there. There's a look. Wait.
Tom burger.
Not burger.
ሴት አበረታች ቢያት ሴት አበረታች ቢያት
Something what?
ቢት ያለኝ ይወድሽ
Let's move we talk.
ነይ ነይ
Wait, koi. We come back. So, yeah.
Everything, by the way. They have food.
Yeah, but I'm like, huh?
It's famous burger.
Oh. I'm sad that I couldn't get the orange and blue. I really needed them. The
But
top.
you have her number, right?
Yeah, I will find it. But no, we don't buy
Please,
brother.
my sister.
We don't
Please,
have
your
money.
sister.
Are you gonna pay?
Give me money.
No, money alam, bill alam. Huh? Thank you. Love this one. Wow. I wonder how much is it.
You can ask them.
I can buy for my house.
Yeah, you can ask them.
Siti no ba?
13.
Asra sost, Andy.
No, it's not.
Oh, next time.
Andu channel?
This one, only this.
Oh, just one.
Asra sost cheap. Yes, but this is
That
good.
is beautiful.
ሁሉም ነገር
There's an entertainment here. Video. Sponsor.
Yeah, then we sing it
What
later.
time? Let's see. Since what time?
አበሻ ቤት
He was saying you guys want here to be here. So I was stressed up so
Yeah.
because remember I told you when I go to Mercato, it's the
She's
same
not-
thing. That's
she's
why
not-
I'm not with my
Okay,
you sit down there.
we need the pizza. Can you show us menu?
Menu is from mouth.
Yeah.
Because now is the time to sell it.
Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next one.